nangyari?
Nasa Bohol kami, my dad has an event, it's called Giro de Luca, this is the third year we're doing it. Nagsimula pa kami with 20 cyclists, ngayon almost 200 na kami. We're gonna do it again next year. We biked the whole Bohol in 3 days, so that's 530 kilometers.
Okay.
So yun, nung unang araw na aksidente ako, sumemplang na ako. So,
Para sila nag-domino effect.
Okay na.
okay lang.
May nag-alaga.
Meron naman.
Paano kayo nalagaan ni Sarah Weber?
Wala, she's very supportive lang. She's very supportive. She's concerned always and she's supportive.
Nakita ba niya? Nakita niyo yung
Nag-worry ba siya? Okay.
Syempre naman, sumemplang kahit duguan to eh. So, oo naman, pero okay naman lahat.
Siya ba naglagay ng mga gamot? Ganyan.
Wala pa.
Hindi siya nagpaka-nurse.
So nakita niya yan nung moon pa lang.
Apo.
Pasabog yung sinabi mo kanina, she's my only and one girl, di ba? In your life.
One and only. Sa tanong kanina, if she's your dream girl, sabi ko, no, she's my one and only.
Yeah.
She's a dream come true na talaga. Nangyari na
Tapos sinabi niya sa doon sa press ko na, daw hindi boyfriend, no? Parang husband material ka naman daw, and then so. Ano masasabi mo doon sa comment na yan?
Salamat. Kaya medyo formal tayo.
Kasi she's coming out now of her shell. Medyo mas nagiging outspoken na siya. At nagsasabi na niya yung series na. Hindi ko pagka medyo palaban na siya ngayon.
Yeah, I mean, hindi naman palaban. I mean, I guess she's 26, she's turning 27, she's becoming a woman, diba? So, meron siya say sa sarili niya. So, I'm very proud of her.
You have to say wavelength ba? Kasi 5 years daw from now, kumbaga ready na siya magpakasal. Ikaw ba yun din yung target?
Tingnan natin, syempre we're praying for good things to happen, but we can't dictate when, diba? Only God knows when, but we'll see what will happen. Siyempre, we wish for the best.
Pero balita ko kasi napapag-usapan nyo na kasal, yung plan in the future.
Ganyan.
Totoo ba?
Secret. No, you know, if ever anything like that happens, it's my family that will know first, diba? Siyempre, I have to ask approval from my family, diba? So, siyempre, yun.
Pero nakwento mo na sa family?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Pero recently ba nag-dinner kayo ulit? Yung parents mo or your dad and Sarah?
Recently ba? I think, yeah, wait.
So, ano to? Mas malalim na pagkakakilala sila. Because they met each other na, di ba, before?
Opo, normal, diba? Siyempre, I want to get Sarah to be close to my family. Masaya lahat, diba? So,
So, may intention na palapitin sa pamilya.
Oo naman, siyempre po naman. Siyempre, yun yung the best, diba? Family is the closest to our heart, so...
Does your family like Sarah?
They love Sarah. My family loves Sarah. She's a wonderful person.
And napag-usapan din during that press ko na si Leia is willing to sing for your wedding. Pero kayo
ganun.
pipili ng gano'n. Oh, na-interview namin mismo si Leia.
Naguna
My
siya.
wedding talaga.
He will sing on your wedding day if and when na.
We'll see, you know, I don't want to jinx anything, diba? We'll see what life will bring us. And, you know, every day many things can happen. We just wish for the best, we hope for the best, we pray for the best.
Doesn't that excite you na Leia Salonga is offering herself?
She offered Sarah, not me. She offered Sarah.
Oh, it's a different thing ba?
We'll see. I don't know. We'll see.
Miss, ano yung sekreto nyo being together despite ng marami mga difficulties, marami mga intriga? Ano yung nag-make you strong?
Honesty, you know, honesty is the best and the most important thing in a relationship, diba? You have to be honest with each other. Once you start not being honest, it will all go down, diba? So we're very honest, kahit hindi maganda yung bagay, kahit negative, positive, we always tell each other.
How about in time?
She's really busy now, I'm also very busy now, so we don't get to see each other often. But when we do, we make it sulit.
Ano yung bonding moments sa together? Pag nagkakasama kayo,
We just go
sinasama
out.
pa rin siya sa mga, ano mo?
I don't know, simply, we just go out and have dinner, things like that.
Lagi nakukulan, lagi nakakapsyon. No? Pero yung sa sports mo, hindi mo
Are you encouraging her to do trials too?
I'm just encouraging to keep a healthy lifestyle, diba? Because it's very important, especially sa trabaho natin, na araw-araw yung trabaho. It's very important to keep a healthy and fit lifestyle para maging mas okay. So,
Pero
yes naman.
kapansin-pansin niyo kay Sarah, she really slimmed down. Dahil ba sa'yo yun? Ano bang sinabi mo sa kanya?
Dahil sa kanya, sarili na yan, you know.
Is she on a special diet?
No, she's not that. I think she's exercising. Diba? She's looking good.